Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HPIL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, higher highs and higher lows on this one today, so definitely some updates here need to be done. First thing I'm going to do here is a bit of an adjustment, and the question becomes, all right, well, what direction is this adjustment being made? And now that we have more data, first thing I'm going to do here is adjust this area of resistance up to now this new apparent stubborn level right up there at 0034. And not to insult your intelligence, but you saw I needed to move that red line in the upwards direction, which is always a good thing. Now, that doesn't guarantee anything, but as a general rule of thumb, whenever levels of resistance need to be adjusted in the upwards direction, that implies that new highs are being put in. And that's one of the important parts about building a trend, or excuse me, an uptrend, is putting in those higher highs. And that was certainly accomplished today. So moving forward, if there is any sort of, movement sideways and then attempt back upwards, that's where the first big question mark resides. It's not necessarily can the price get back up to 0034, but more importantly, can the price actually break above it and stay above it? So we want to keep a very close eye on that. Like I said, with any sort of attempted movement back upwards. In terms of areas of support, I'm also going to go ahead and adjust this level up here a bit more and put that at the 0024 mark. So keep an eye on that. And then from the overarching standpoint, the level that matters the most from, like I said, the bigger picture point of view is all about that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to keep moving itself up. So overall, as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what is going to be represented. So again, staying above that level would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, staying above that purple line is by far what matters most. But all in all, the uptrend continues, so it'll be interesting to see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.